Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make outdoor cleaning a breeze, the Fanttik NB8 portable cordless electric sprayer. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the Fanttik NB8? This is a portable, cordless electric sprayer that comes equipped with a 2.1-gallon tank, a retractable spray head, and a robust 2,600 mAh lithium battery. It's designed for a variety of cleaning tasks, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, pet owners, and anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that set the Fanttik NB8 apart. First off, it has an impressive IPX5 waterproof rating, ensuring that it can withstand splashes and light rain while in use. The built-in lithium battery supports up to 40 minutes of continuous operation, which is plenty of time for most cleaning tasks. The maximum water pressure ranges from 72 to 98 psi, providing just the right amount of power for gentle cleaning without damaging delicate surfaces or your beloved pets. One of the standout aspects of the NB8 is its compact size. Measuring just 12.46 by 8.54 by 10.63 inches, it's easy to carry and store, making it perfect for apartments, camping trips, or even for washing your car. The integrated spray pipe is conveniently tucked away within the main unit, eliminating the hassle of tedious setup. Now, who is this sprayer suitable for? If you enjoy outdoor parties, camping, or have pets that need regular grooming, the Fanttik NB8 is a fantastic solution. It's also ideal for urban dwellers with limited space, as it provides an all-in-one cleaning solution without the need for a bulky, traditional pressure washer. So, what can you use it for? The Fanttik NB8 shines in various practical applications. You can use it to water your plants gently, wash down outdoor furniture, or even clean your bicycle chains and tires after a muddy ride. Its dual spray patterns, straight and fan, allow you to switch easily, making it versatile enough for different tasks. Plus, with its low noise level, you won't disturb your neighbors while you clean. Another notable feature is the 118-inch telescoping spring water hose, which adds flexibility and convenience to your cleaning routine. The USB-C charging interface means you can charge it with your home charger, or even use a power bank or car charger when you're out and about. However, there are some important tips to keep in mind for optimal use. Before operating the sprayer, ensure that you follow the installation steps correctly. Checking that the water outlet is securely attached will help prevent any leaks. And remember, the NB8 is designed to be used only with water, so avoid adding any detergents that could damage the unit. In summary, the Fanttik NB8 portable cordless electric sprayer is a practical, user-friendly cleaning tool that fits a range of needs, from gardening to pet care. Its compact design and robust features make it a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their outdoor cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.